Hooghly Dock and Port Engineers Limited is a Government of India enterprise under the administrative control of the Ministry of Shipping, located in the twin cities Howrah and Kolkata in the state of West Bengal, India. Is one of the oldest shipyards engaged in shipbuilding and ship repairs. Kolkata, the capital city of West Bengal, has the requisite core and social infrastructure facilities with excellent road and rail connectivity, which connects the city with the rest of the country. Kolkata International Airport connects the region to the rest of the world. Government of India embarked on a mission to develop waterways as major means for transportation of goods within the country. As of now, there are 5 national waterways. Kolkata is the gateway to the National Waterway 1, 2 and 5 and is the terminal point for coastal and ocean-going vessels. Recently, the Government of India and Government of Bangladesh have signed a standard operating procedure for coastal shipping between the two nations. The Kaladan Multimodal Project, which will provide an alternate connectivity to northeastern states from eastern India via Sitwe port in Myanmar. This will help in the development of integrated national waterways transportation grid, which will connect the national waterways 1, 2 and 5 and facilitate movement of goods to eastern and northeastern part from the rest of the country through waterways, along with increase in movement of goods between India-Bangladesh and India-Myanmar. Due to existence of many power plants, steel plants and other industries along National Waterway 1, there is a huge potential for inland waterway transportation. NTPC has already started movement of coal from mid-sea by using transloaders through barges to their power plants at Farakka and Kehelgaon. Inland waterway potential for cargo movement is estimated at 50 billion ton-kilometer against the current 1 billion ton-kilometer. Presently, only 3% of total cargo movement in India is through inland waterways. Realizing it being a fuel-efficient, environment-friendly, cost-effective mode of transport, Government of India has decided to increase the movement of goods through waterways to 15%. With an investment of $13 billion in the next few years to strengthen the infrastructure for the same. The flagship program for development of National Waterway 1 has been initiated with a total funding of Rs. $0.62 billion under the Rashtriya Jalmarg Vikas Pariyojana. In this given scenario and in the context of Make in India, there is a huge potential for building fuel-efficient, shallow draft high-capacity vessels and barges, especially dredgers, tugs, floating dry docks, fire floats, fishing trawlers and passenger vessels. Taking this as a golden opportunity, Government of India has decided to restructure HDPEL by forming a joint venture with private sector companies who have expertise in constructing high-capacity, low-draft, fuel-efficient barges selected through transparent global bidding process. HDPEL has constructed many vessels since its inception, including tugs, hydraulic surface dredgers, floating dry docks, etc. It has 2 shipbuilding functional units located at Salkia and Nazirganj on the bank of River Hooghly. Both facilities have a minimum draft of more than 3.5 meters and are one of the few organized shipyards in eastern India. The total site area of the Salkia works is about 10.75 acres, with a riverfront of approximately 243 meters, dry dock, building berths, workshops, administrative building facilities. The Nazirganj workshop is spread over 19.6 acres of land and has a 546-meter river frontage with 2 building berths, workshops, an administrative building and utility buildings covering approximately 2 lakh square feet.
We are developing the first waterway of the country, that is Ganga waterways. It is already approved by the Parliament. The World Bank has already sanctioned the loan of 4,200 crores. We are making 3 multimodal hubs. One is at Varanasi, other as Saibganj, and third is as Haldia. Regarding the development of the waterways, the barge is very important. We have decided to make a joint venture company with the international company for making of barge. By making special design for low draft, the barge can be available, which will be, the fuel will be LNG, and that is pollution free, cost effective, and at the same time it will be useful for the transport. Hooghly Dock and Port Engineer is the organized shipyard in eastern India and have decided to restructure this company, and there are a lot of opportunities available. You can take the advantage of this opportunity.
Let us take this golden opportunity, participate in the global tender, and be a global leader in shipbuilding, ship repair sector. For further details, visit us at www.hooghlydock.gov.in.